Cyclepath Woodbridge, and it's an exciting day. As Angie said, there's a sea of red, and so we got our jerseys today. Yes, I'll put it back. Angie, the team have been organizing sizes and who's paid and who's not, but we're here. So Steve, you ready?
Yes.
We're ready. Together, go to grab a sleeve. We present to you the new jerseys for the Veneto Cycling Club. There they are. Looking good. Can't wait to see these on our riders.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Woo! Fantastic.
Very nice.
We're going to try one on.
Okay.
Steve.
Look at this.
And voila, the Veneto Cycling Club New Jerseys 2013. Beautiful work from the Woodbridge location of Cyclepath. Thank you, Ange. Thank you, Sam. Thank you, team here. They look good.
Look at this. Beautiful.
And they fit great. So, 2013 series, here we go.
Yes, I can see you.
With us, Mayor Bevilacqua. I invited him on purpose so he could see the condition of Kipling Road on his Mr. Bevilacqua, here is the 101st membership card. That's all you gotta say. Let's get a handsome guy to the media. That's great.
They're going to tell you, I know it's the first time I'm going out. And they go, you will see.
Veneto Cycling Club!
but we're not allowed to be here. But they let at least 2 people in here. Respect. They've got a function here, and
They're very, very busy.
they're very busy and very accommodating. And they've been very accommodating. And it's Calabria Day at the Veneto Cycling Club. And thank you, Guy. Thank you, Frank. Thank you, Vince, and everyone else who's working hard in that other room to help us out. See you later. Bye. We want to thank everybody here at the Veneto Center Kitchen for helping us out. We weren't allowed to be here, but Agnesa helped us out. Thank you so much. Your name is again? Stella. Thank you so much for helping us. Guy, we are not allowed to be here, but what are you making? What are you making?
Thank you very much.
What are you making?
Making the pasta lychee with French fries.
Pasta
And
lychee
we
bread.
got the little extra touch from Agnese, just a little extra salt just to finish it off.
Yes, you know.
Hey, all right, bud.
You meet the nicest people in line. What are you waiting for?
Food.
Food. What day is it today?
I don't know.
It's Calabrese Day.
Calabrese Day.
Yeah.
It's Calabrese Day.
What?
Calabrisella mia, Calabrisella mia, Calabrisella mia, giuri d'amore.
The one is from Dornish, eh?
Oh, sorry. We're now experiencing. They said that Calabria does not have wineries. Is that true? It's not true. Okay, so guys, to the second annual Calabrese Day at the Veneto Cycling Club. Thank you for all fellow Calabres except you.
To all my Calabrese
And we want to thank you. But thanks everyone.
Salute Calabrese.
Hey, whoa. Passport, please. Passport, please. You're not Calabres.
I'm Trevisan.
Get out of here.
Cycling Club. Veneto Cycling Club.